Most drivers over 70 never notice this. But somewhere around your late 70s, early 80s, your car insurance can quietly start going up. No warning, no explanation, just a higher bill. And here's the strange part. It's not always because you're a worse driver. In fact, for a lot of people, it's the opposite. At this stage, most drivers are more careful than ever, driving less, avoiding busy roads, taking fewer risks. So what's really going on? Insurance companies don't price based on you personally. They price based on patterns. Things like reaction time, vision changes, and accident data across large groups of drivers. And once you fall into a certain age range, they may automatically adjust how they view your risk, even if nothing about your actual driving has changed. But here's where it gets interesting, because you're not just a number in their system, and your rate isn't set in stone. In fact, one of the biggest mistakes people make at this point is staying with the same company for years, assuming their rate is still competitive. But insurance doesn't really reward loyalty the way most people think. Rates change constantly, and every company calculates risk differently, which means two different companies can look at the exact same driver, same car, same history, and come back with completely different prices. And most people never see that difference. Because when they try to check, they run into this form after form. Same questions, over and over again, different websites, same process, and after a few attempts, most people just give up. They stick with what they have and hope it's still a fair deal. But here's a simpler way to approach it. Instead of trying to compare everything yourself, a lot of drivers now just make one quick call and have someone check multiple options for them based on their situation. Things like how much they drive now, whether they're retired, what kind of coverage they actually need. No forms to fill out over and over, no guessing, just a quick way to see what's available. And the best part is, there's no pressure to switch. No obligation to do anything. You're just checking. Because the truth is, you won't know if your current rate still makes sense unless you actually look, especially if your driving habits have changed, or it's been a while since you last compared anything. So before your next renewal shows up, take a minute to see where you stand. It's quick, it's simple, and it might give you a clearer picture of what your options look like today. Go to getrightinsure.com/GK and take a look for yourself. Or call TABTA 1-888-242-2921 to get a quote.